Greetings of the day. I am Vinaya Tapkir, Assistant Professor from MIT Academy of Engineering, presenting here the next video, that is a ready list table part 1. I have created the two parts of this ready list table because this topic is not covered in a single video. So you have to cover this complete topic by listening this part 1 and part 2 videos continuously. So the topic is the ready list. Ready list is the very important list of the kernel which is help to understand how many tasks are ready to run. In the previous video of the task state, we have seen that every task is undergoing through the 5 different stages, that is dormant state, ready state, run state, wait state and ISR state. So out of that, the every task kernel has to keep the track of every state of the task. Out of that, ready list is a very important list so that the kernel can understand how many tasks and which priority task is ready to run, so that the kernel can move the task from the ready state to the run state. So to keep that track, the kernel is having the another structure, that is a ready list structure. Now for that, the different variables and the different structures are created in the kernel. So one of that all variables and the structures we have to understand in this video. So now we will start. Each task that is ready to run is placed in a ready list consisting of the two variables. So there are the two variables are important in the ready list, that is OS RDY GRP and OS RDY TBL. This is the array. Task priorities are grouped 8 tasks per group. So there are the 8 groups are made in the OS ready group. So that's why this variable or this bitmap is known as a OS ready GRP. Out of that, this 0th bit indicates the 0th group. This first indicates the first group. This second indicates the second group. Each bit is having the group of 8 priorities. Each bit is pointing to the group of 8 priorities. So that's why this name of this bitmap or this 8-bit variable is kept as a OS RDY group. And is it pointing to the OS RDY table. So each bit in OS RDY group is used to indicate whenever any task in a group is ready to run or ready to run. Now we will see one by one every detail and we will solve the numerical also over this ready list table. When the task is ready to run, it is also sets its corresponding bit in the ready table. So we have seen every ready group bit indicates the group of 8 tasks, and that this is nothing but these are the groups. So we can say this is the 0th group. This 0th group is indicated by 0th bit from the OS RDY GRP variable. Then this is the first group, this is the second group. Every bit from the OS RDY GRP or every bit in the OS RDY GRP pointing to one of the group from the OS RDY table. So this is the group 0. This is the group 0 having the 8 priorities. This is the group 0. Then this is the group 1, group 2, group 3. So this is the 8 by 8 matrix. Why the 8 by 8 matrix? Because we know that the MUCOS2 supports maximum 63 tasks to be created. So this is the maximum number that the MUCOS2 can support, MUCOS2 can create the task. So for 0 to 64, 8 by 8 matrix is created for OS RDY table. So this is the OS RDY table which is having the 64 bit map and it is situated by 8 and 8 by 8 matrix. Every bit number, this 0, 1, 2 indicates the priority number. 1 is a first priority, 2 is the second priority. So these numbers are just for our understanding, but actually this matrix is a blank matrix which is holding the values either 0 or 1. So these are the numbers just we have drawn here for our understanding, and this is nothing but the priority number of the particular task. So we can say if this bit is having value 1, means we can state that the priority 7 task is ready to run. If the value this bit is having value 1, then we can state that the priority 31 priority of the task which is having the 31 as a priority is ready to run. If this particular bit is having value 1, then we can state that the task priority 44 is ready to run. In this way, these bits are holding the values either 0 or 1. If the value is a 0, if value is a 0 means task is not ready to run, and if the value is a 1, the particular priority task is ready to run. So every bit of this OSRDY table can hold either value 0 or 1 only. Now, hence we can say that the OSRDY table, the size of the OSRDY table, it depends on the OS lowest priority. So this is the maximum table where the because 2 can support the 63 tasks, but the size can be vary according to the OS lowest priority value. That numerical we will see in the next slide. This allows to reduce the amount of the RAM, that is a data space needed by the MuCOS2 when an application requires a few task priorities. The best example in the previous video we have taken about the TCB tables means the only two tasks are created, then the kernel can take the two TCB tables into the RAM. Similarly, the kernel can modify this OSRDY table according to the maximum number which we have given in the OS underscore lowest underscore priority. Suppose I need only 15 tasks for application, then the kernel will put only these two arrows into the RAM, and other memory bitmap is not present in the memory. So this is also the best example that MuCOS2 is scalable and configurable. Every configuration is done or decided by this value which is put in the lowest priority and OS underscore maximum underscore task value. जितने टास्क चाहिए, जितने लोएस्ट प्रायोरिटी चाहिए, उतने ही टास्क के टेबल्स, उतनी ही रेडी लिस्ट टेबल क्रिएट होगा. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से दैट MuCOS2 is scalable. Now we will take one example here. The size of the OS RDY table, it depends on the OS lowest priority. Okay, we have to justify this statement now. For example, the value which we have put into OS underscore max underscore task is a 12. Suppose the application needs the 12 task, and this variable is present in the config.h file that we have seen already, and OS lowest priority value is a 23. Okay, I need only 12 tasks, but I put the value in the OS lowest priority as a 23 in config.h file. Then the size of the OS RDY table is reduced to the 3 rows, only 3 rows, because in the 3 rows I can complete the task priority from 0 to 23. So I can say that the lowest priority is a 23 here. So only 3 rows are provided by the kernel. So we can say that, which proves that the MuCOS2 is scalable and configurable. Now this is the complete diagram of the OS ready group and the OS TCB table. Here we can relate the OS TC ready group with the OS TCB OS RDY table. So we have seen that the OS RDY group, each bit of the OS RDY group indicates the one of the group from the OS RDY TBL. So these are all the groups. Each group is having the 8 priorities, 0 to 7, 0 to 7, like this. Okay, and this is the task priority register where this is holding the value of the X and this is holding the value of the Y. OS RDY table, we can say that this all are the number of rows are nothing but the Y. So we can say that this is a Y equal to 0, Y equal to 1, Y equal to 2. Similarly, X, this is a X is equal to 0, X is equal to Y. So if the value of the X is equal to 3 and value of the Y is equal to 3, then it will point to the which bit from the OS RDY table. X value is a 3, means 0, 1, 2, 3, and Y is equal to 3. So it will pointing to the 27th priority of the OS RDY table. So x and y, these are the coordinates. Using these x and y values, the kernel can understand which bit or the which priority of the application is ready to run. Now what is this? So it is clear about the OSRDY group and OSRDY table. Now what is this value? The OSRDY table is the size of the OSRDY table is depend on the value of the OS lowest priority that already we have seen in the previous slide. Suppose the value of the lowest priority is we have seen in the previous example, value of the OS lowest priority is 23 suppose. So the only the 3 rows will be available for the application. So this is about the complete relationship between the OSRDY group and OSRDY table. Now, what is the again? What is the meaning of the every bits of this OSRDY group? Now, the relationship between the OSRDY group and OSRDY table is as follows. Bit 0 in the OSRDY group is 1 when any bit from OSRDY table of 0 is 1. So we can say this is the 0th row. So this is the OSRDY table of 0. This is OSRDY table of 1. So if this bit is 1, indicates that any priority from the 0th group is ready to run. Any priority, we cannot say that 0 or 7 because this is a group of the 8 priorities. So any one bit, any bit from the OSRDY TBL is 1. So out of 8 priorities, any one priority is asking for the service. Then bit 1 in the OSRDY group indicates that is 1 when any bit from the OSRDY table is 1. Similarly, bit 2 is for the row 2. Bit 3 is for the row 3. Bit 4 is for the row 4. This is already we have seen every bit from the OSRDY group indicates the group from the OSRDY table. But if this value is 1, indicates that any one priority from this particular group is asking for the service. So this is about the OS ready list and all the variables and all the tables of the OS ready group. Now in the next video we will see one numerical so we can get the clear idea about how the kernel keeps the track about the which priority task is actually ready to run. Thank you all of you.